This is the Office 2013 Go textbook. We're in PowerPoint, Chapter 2, Project 2A. I'm on page 777. I've already started PowerPoint. We want to find P02A safety. So let's choose Open Other Presentations. And I want to go to my computer. And I want to go on my desktop to CSC 110. Since I've been there recently, I don't need to start at the desktop and work my way down. I can just double click on this. And I want to go to PowerPoint 02. And I want P02A safety. There we go. And first thing I want to do is save it. So as soon as it loads here, we'll turn around and save it. Whoops, got to enable editing first. Enable editing, come on. Okay, now we're good. And let's do a save as. And we'll put it in the same place. And I want to delete the P0 from the front and put last name, first name, okay? And then click on save. Okay, let's go to slide 2 and click anywhere in the content placeholder with the single bullet point, so any place in here, and point to the dash border. And we want to turn it, right now it's a dotted line, but if you click on the edge, it turns into a solid line. Anything you do now will basically affect everything that's inside the box. And I want to change the font size to 24. So let's go up here and 24, there we go, and save our presentation. And now we're going to go to 2.02, display slide number 3. Click anywhere in the bulleted list, and again we want to get the solid line around the outside, and go to the Home tab, and in the paragraph group we want to click numbering and change that to a numbered list instead of a bulleted list, and that's how you do a numbered list. Now we'll save again, and we're on page 778, activity 2.03. I want to change the shape and color of a bulleted list symbol. Let's go to slide 4 and select the 3 second level bullet points right here. And we're going to go to the Home tab again, paragraph group again, and we're going to click on the arrow next to the bullets button. And they want us to choose star bullets, which I think is the name for this. And what we're going to do here is we're actually going to look at more options. So we could stop it right there, but I want to show you some more options here. And here we want to go to customize, and then you go over here and pick your font. And the fonts that we usually want for this start with W and end with dings. So Webdings, Wingdings, Wingdings 2, Wingdings 3. I'm just going to click on Wingdings 3 here and see what we get. And I don't really see anything I like there. So I'm going to go back and do Wingdings 2. And we've got some things here that kind of look like diamonds. And let's go to Wingdings, plain old Wingdings, and see what we get there. And it looks like a diamond there. Doesn't look like it. And we got Webdings, and this is what Webdings looks like. And there's one other one I forgot to mention too. It's the symbol font. And if you click on symbol and take a look at those symbols there, there are some things in there that can probably be used as bullets. Okay, so we'll cancel that. And we'll go back here, we'll select the stars and click on OK, and that's what our bullet symbol looks like. And then we want to go to color, and I guess I shouldn't have stopped there. We want to go to okay, let me see. Okay, so here what I want to do is so I want to select that one, and the color I want is red. It's the 8th column, the last color. So here's column 8, here's the last color, and that's the color I want for my bullets. And click OK, and that's what our bullet symbols look like. And we will save that, and now we're moving on to activity 2.04, removing a bullet symbol from a bullet point. So we're going to go to slide 2 up here, and we're going to click any place in the paragraph. Going to go to the Home tab and go to the paragraph group, and if I click on bullets here, it's just a toggle, it will turn the bullet characters off. Then we want to center the paragraph, and we want to select everything. So click on the border here to get the solid line, and we want bold, italic, and under line spacing up here we want to, all this stuff looks just like it does in Word. Okay, save our presentation and turn to page 780. I'm going to insert some online pictures. We're going to go to slide number 5 here, and in the placeholder on the right side, click online pictures, which is, I think, this one. Okay, and wait a second here. Okay, and I'm not getting the Office clip art, so I'm not going to be able to search Office. We'll do Bing instead. And so we're going to have to do a Bing search instead, so we won't get the exact same picture probably, but we're going to type in pouring water and hit enter, and we'll see what comes up in our web browser. I'm sorry, it doesn't open the web browser. So let me just scroll through here for a minute, see if I can find something that might look a little bit like the one that they have in the book. And I'm really not. Let's do show all web results here and see if we can find some options that are similar. And what do you know? There it is. That's the one. So if this shows up on yours, fine. If not, just get something that's, you know, taller than it is, wide, and insert that. And it doesn't say anything about resizing it, so we'll just leave it. Notice we could resize it up here or just grab the handles. And now let's go back to slide 1. And we want to insert an image from online pictures. Again, this is a different way to do it, so just go to online pictures. And again, we don't have Office to go to, so we'll do a Bing image search, and what we want is red light. Enter. And I'm looking for one like the one in the book, and again I'll do all web results, and we'll see if we can find something similar to the one that's in the book. And I'm not sure I want to scroll too much further here looking. Looks like we want something that's about twice as wide as it is tall. Let me scroll back up here to the top again and see what I find. Well, that's about twice as wide as it is tall. Let's take that one and click on Insert. And now we're on page 782, sizing a picture. So we're going to click on the picture of the red light here, and we want the height to be 3.5. You need to click on it and make it turn blue to select it, or just bounce on the down arrow a few times if it's not very far to go. So we're going to make it 3.5. and notice that it keeps the aspect ratio. And this is similar to what they have in the book. Theirs is 5.26, ours is 5.01. And now we're going to use our guides to position this. So on the View tab, what I want to see are make sure ruler is checked and ruler is checked. So I've got all of this available. And point to the picture to get my four-headed arrow and hold down Shift. And while I'm holding down Shift, drag the picture to the right slowly, and when it's about 6 inches to the right of 0 on the horizontal ruler, which would be about here, and it looks like I definitely want this up. Okay, the shift keeps me from sliding up or down. Now I'm going to hold shift down again and slide it straight up, and there we go. That's pretty similar to what's in the book. There's just barely enough room to get that on the slide and above the text here. And now we're on activity 2.09. On 783, we're going to crop a picture. Let's go to slide 6 here and select the picture by clicking on it. And on the Format tab for Picture Tools, click the Crop button right here, not the arrow, but the icon. And now I get these black handles on the corners and the sides. And what I want to do is, you see, point to the right center handle right here, and we're going to drag that in till it's about at the 1.5 mark on the ruler, which is about right there. Release the mouse button, and we can click anywhere out here, or just click on the crop button again. That will apply the crop for us. Now let's do activity 2.10 on page 784, and we want to change the shape of a picture. Let's go to slide 1 here and select picture, so our picture tools appear. And in the size group, click the lower portion of the crop button, and we're going to crop it to a particular shape. And the shapes we have are, there's an oval in first row under basic shapes. It's the first one, and we're going to click on that, and it turns it into an oval, and we're going to save. And that's a good place to end video, the first part of the video for Chapter 2, Project 2A.